And let's sum up with the main question on the story itself, which would be the following one. The wall was never there. If you open your mind and heart, walls will disappear, the bluebird advises. Why do you think this advice is important to you and to others? Can other things in our lives turn into walls? Would you rather say that walls may protect or divide? Both or neither? We've reached now the last part of today's session, Philosophizing and Walls. We're going to end this session with a project, not a competition. We invite you to send your own pictures with philosophical messages on the concept of walls to ballyroan@swcoco.ie. We will share your work on the Ballyroan Library Facebook wall with your permission. We look forward to receiving your ever wall-less thoughts. Mind yourselves and those around you.